Hello, Bob and Lou, Two Old Guys Garage. This is the next day, making it November 18th. So here we are. This would be episode 83. I'm having trouble mentally keeping track of them. Anyway, hard pull, son of a bitch. We've got the right side passenger side aluminum panel cut, shaped, and attached. And if you look here, Zeus fasteners, with this one being the worst one. But it's done, it's attached. And it's pretty rigid. It's going to get more rigid when we stick the grill into it. Also got this positioned where we want it on the right side panel, and you can't see it, but got marks on where I believe the attachments should go to hook it in. So, Lou, you want to pop that off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just pause for a second here. Hi, back. There's the left side passenger panel. There's the trace mark of where the grill is going to go. These are the fenders on the side. This is an interference point here, and that's why that's marked as going to be cut. That should fit. As you can see, we have Zeus, and Zeus. This one was tough because the nut and bolt here it was interfering, couldn't pull in, but we just took it out. We'll figure out maybe something shallow-headed bolt. Anyway, that's it. It fits. It's good. So, Lou, what are you going to do next? Are you going to...
I'll make the other side first.
Make the other side first. That makes sense. Yeah, we don't exactly know what we're going to run into when we cut it out, but it's safer to make the driver's side panel and get it all attached, and then the next thing will be to cut it out and attach the grill work. But that's good. What a job. How many hours yesterday did you do?
Huh?
How many hours did you?
Oh, shit, who knows?
Yeah, Lou worked on it all yesterday during the day and afternoon, and then I come over a little bit earlier, and we've been screwing with it for 3-4 hours now.
Yeah.
But it's there, it works, it's done. And, of course, that gives us the knowledge and way how to hopefully make the other one on the other side go faster. But I think it will, right, Lou?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be okay. All right, so I'm going to end this. This would be part 83, segment 1, again, the 18th of November. So moving on, wish you all well. Take care. I'm going to end this here as the end of segment 1. Take care out there. Bob and Lou signing off. Bye-bye. Hey, okay. November 20th, 2025, Bob and Lou and the dogs at the Two Old Guys Garage. This is probably, this is segment 2 for sure, and it's, I think, episode 83. Whatever, okay, we just finished cutting and fitting the driver's side panel. As you can see, it's there. It's attached with the 4 Zeus fasteners, and of course, this one we already showed, so both of them are on. Now, what's next is we're going to start shaping and marking up where these have to be cut out to attach the stock Anglia pieces. Those guys. All right, I think I got a plan, so I'm going to pause this and we'll get back to you in a little bit, hopefully. Thank you. Hang on. Back, same day. We've been working on, we cut templates, Chrissy Cross, female, male, inside, outside, and there's the pattern transferred. We fit the grill to this thing. We want to leave a little more lip around the edge to make sure we don't do the attachment bolts into the open space, if you will. So, we're going to cut the inside dotted lines and the inside parallel lines first and then see what that looks like and then trim it as necessary. Okay, pausing again. Okay, here's the setup, the jigsaw to drill the piece out, which is a pain in the butt. And I'm not going to film it while it's being done because it'll be noisy as hell. You can see that clamp down to the table to minimize vibration. All right, be back in a bit. Pausing again. Back, same day. And we got the insert cut out. We got the insert hole cut out of the side panel. We've got the insert bolted in. And these are number 10 machine screws with Allen button heads. These will be replaced with stainless steel ones. But looks pretty good. That'll let the air out for sure, Lou.
What's that?
That'll let the air out for sure. And then they got a view of the engine too, all that chrome. So, looks good. All right, let's see. I'm running out of steam. I'm gonna cut this off here. May or may not add some more. We'll see in a bit. Hi there. November 21st, 2025. Lou and Bob. Hang on, let me see. There's Bob with my East Coast hot rod shirt on. And there's Lou with his Green Valley Raceway shirt on. Anyway, this is part 83 or episode 83, whichever way you want to think about it. And this will be segment 3. And what we've just finished is making sure that the passenger side panel fits correctly to the grill insert, clean, deburred, all that crap and shit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece and we're going to use it as a template to mark and cut out the driver's side panel. So having said all that, I'm going to pause this here and be back after some time. Bye-bye. Back, same day. Segment 3 of episode 83. Okay. So obviously to make the first passenger side, we had a learning process on how we were to do it. And then applying as expected that process to the passenger side, and we're already done. So there you go. There's 2 of them hooked up there. Looks pretty good. Ah, looks outstanding, I think. Okay, again, I mentioned in an earlier segment that these will be replaced. Instead of black anodized, they'll be number 10 machine screws with Allen button heads, but we'll use stainless steel.
Maybe Allen. Same
Same thing. Yeah, Allen button heads. It'll be stainless steel, so they'll have a polish to them, which I think is going to look good. So you know you can see straight through there. Looks good, Lou. Looks. I think we're okay. I think we are okay. All right. So what's next is obviously take these 2 panels apart, clean up the aluminum, prime it with the acid etch type Rust-Oleum special aluminum primer, which is green, flat green. Get those all cleaned up and primed with the etched acid primer, and then when it's dry, put a coat of color gray prime over them, right?
Right.
And what about this? Are we going to do anything about that?
Yeah. This thing, that'll be 2-tone.
Yeah, 2-tone gray. After all, we got about 3 or 4 shades of gray.
Yeah.
Maybe more. Gray, black. Looks like a stealth Anglia. Alrighty, so that is it. We're going to take a break here. I'm going to close this off, and I may publish 83. I got probably about 5 minutes of stuff leading up to this point. So,
yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, great. Looks like a car.
Yeah, makes a difference.
Yeah. All right, so that's it. Assuming this is going to be published later today, then thank you all for watching, for subscribing, for commenting. I answer every comment. Fortunately, we don't get really any nasty ones because all of you viewers are dyed-to-the-wool hot rod lovers, right? And I hope you appreciate the crap we're going through to make this work. We like to pass on, as I've said many times, we like to pass on our knowledge and how we do things in case it may help somebody else when they're trying to figure something out. So with that, bid you adieu. This is Bob.
Oh, Thanksgiving is coming up.
Oh, yes.
We don't see you before. Have a nice turkey day.
Yeah, by the way, we for years have cooked a turkey and fed sometimes up to 30 people. Not this year.
Yeah.
I went to DeVito Brothers, the restaurant, the Italian restaurant, which is very good for Italian food. And I ordered a turkey meal that consists of turkey, Chardonnay gravy, sweet mashed potatoes, green bean casserole with caramelized onions, rolls, and $59 feeds 4 people.
Boy, can't beat that.
Shit, that's $20 a meal.
Yeah,
So I ordered 2 of them just in case I get, 5, 6, or 7 people drift in. I assume you're going up with your daughters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, son, Al is going to have it over our house this year.
Okay. So that's it. We're set for our Thanksgiving dinner, and I think we'll probably be taking a little break here, right?
Yeah.
Before we do any more filming.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So anyway, happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there who celebrates that particular holiday. Again, we thank you, and we have picked up more subscribers in the last month. So whatever you're doing out there, keep on doing it. Help me get more subscribers. Although we're in this to show the build and pass our knowledge on. We're not in it to make money, and I don't really think that I have to get a whole bunch of subscribers. And I'm actually, fact is, I'm pretty comfortable with where it is. So with that, I'll stop procrastinating, and I'm going to sign off. Take care, you all.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.